Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing how you can fix Messenger when it is not showing active friends. Let's get started. So on this page here, we can see here we have a few number of ways that you can fix this issue. First things first, you can check your active status on Messenger. Now, sometimes in the settings option, your active status has purposefully been turned off. So if you go ahead and turn that back on, you will then be able to see your friends active or not. Another way you can check it is by checking the internet connection. A third way would be to restart the Messenger app. Now, I'd like to remind you that sometimes you won't be able to ensure that your friends are active or not because you may be blocked. If you have been blocked, you will not be able to tell if they are active or not. Now, another way you can check this is by clearing your Facebook Messenger cache. And a fifth way of doing this would be to log out of the Messenger app and then log back in. By going about these few ways, you will be able to check and make sure that your activity, as in to see if your friends are active or not, will be possible or not. Again, keep in mind other possible reasons. Your friend may have turned off their active status, you may have been blocked, or maybe it could be an issue in your own personal privacy settings. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.